So there is the three way to take a screenshot on Infinix Hot 6Ti. So in the first way, you can using the volume down and power button. You can press it together like this to take a screenshot. And step 2, you can using this control center icon. You can tap on this icon to take a screenshot. And the step 3, you can using this accessibility button. You can tap on it and then you can tap on screenshot. To enable this feature, you can go to the setting menu and then you can scroll until you find system menu. You can tap on accessibility, tap on accessibility menu, and you can enable this feature here. Tap on allow, tap on more option, and then you can select on location. You can change it on the navigation bar, and this feature will appear here. You can using this feature to screenshot or turn off this cell phone without power button. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.